Lock on your winner take all. Away they go. Moonraker. Fast to begin, brushing up. Bay Area Babe fast forward. Flag bearer, Windy Hour. G.I. Jane Hakuna Matata. While Sabuhin is the early trailer. Fast forward in between runners. Joining them, Flag bearer, Moonraker, Danori inside. And on the further outside is Bay Area Babe. It's now Flag bearer by a half a length, followed by Moonraker in second. Fast forward alongside is Bay Area Babe, Windy Hour, G.I. Jane, Sabuhin, and Hakuna Matata. And rounding the far turn, Flag bearer by a length and a half. Moonraker is running in second. Fast forward, Bay Area Babe as they swing for home. Flag bearer by about 2 lengths. Moonraker is running in second. Pass forward, Danori inside is Windy Hour. Last 150, Flag bearer by about 2 lengths, followed by Windy Hour, Danori inside. Last 100, Flag bearer, Windy Hour is running by the rail. Moves up to take the lead. It's now Windy Hour. Flag bearer, G.I. Jane, Hakuna Matata, pass forward, Pentafecta.